We have given function and we have to find critical numbers. Critical number of function is a number which belongs to domain of function and the derivative for this number is equal 0 or does not exist. So first we need the domain of our f function. The domain of f function will be all real numbers. Why? Because we have power, addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and all this operation we can do for all real numbers. So next we have to find the derivative. F prime of x is equal, derivative of x to third is 3, x to second power, because 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 3 times 2 times x to first power, because 2 minus 1 is 1, I don't have to write, minus derivative of negative 9x is negative 9, and derivative of 1 is 0, I don't have to write. So we have f prime of x is equal 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Now we have to set our derivative equals 0. F prime of x is equal 0 if and only if 3x squared plus 6x minus 9 is equal 0. We have quadratic equation. First I will factorize 3, so will be x squared plus 2x minus 3 in parentheses. Now I divide by 3, so this I can cross. So we have only x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So this is equal 0. So I have to find two numbers which multiply by each other give me negative 3, and when I add them I will have 2. So it will be x plus 3 times x minus 1. This is equal 0 when x plus 3 is equal 0, or x minus 1 is equal 0. So x equals negative 3 and x equals 1. Now we have to check if this number belongs to domain. Domain is all real numbers, so negative 3 and 1 belongs. So we have two critical numbers. This is my solution.